Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's been generating quite a buzz among DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, the California Airtools 6010 LFC Ultra Quiet Air Compressor. We found this product online and added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the California Airtools 6010 LFC? This is a 1.0 HP ultra quiet and oil-free industrial air compressor, featuring a 6.0-gallon steel tank. This compressor is designed for those who need a reliable air source without the usual noise and maintenance hassles associated with traditional compressors. One of the standout features of the 6010 LFC is its ultra-quiet operation, producing only 60 decibels. This is a game-changer for anyone who works in noise-sensitive environments such as residential areas or indoors where noise can be an issue. You can have a conversation or listen to your favorite tunes while using this compressor, which is something you won't find with most other models on the market. Another significant feature is its oil-free pump. This means cleaner air for your tools, which ultimately leads to better performance and longevity. Plus, it requires less maintenance, no more worrying about oil changes or leaks. This makes it a fantastic choice for those who might be working in colder temperatures, as it operates efficiently without the need for lubrication that can thicken in the cold. In terms of performance, the 6010 LFC delivers 4.00 CFM at 40 psi and 3.00 CFM at 90 psi, with a maximum pressure of 125 psi. This level of output makes it versatile enough for a variety of applications, from powering pneumatic tools to inflating tires or sports equipment. Now, who is this product suitable for? The California Airtools 6010 LFC is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals who require a dependable air compressor without the noise and maintenance of traditional models. Whether you're a woodworker, a car enthusiast, or simply need air for various tools around the house, this compressor fits the bill. Let's talk about some practical use cases. If you're a woodworker, you might find the 6010 LFC ideal for running nail guns, spray guns, or other pneumatic tools without disrupting the peace of your workspace. For automotive work, it can easily handle tire inflation and powering air tools without the annoying hum that comes with many compressors. Additionally, if you're into sports, it's great for inflating basketballs, soccer balls, and even bike tires. Its compact and lightweight design, weighing in at 54 pounds, makes it easy to transport. With its 110V, 60 Hz motor drawing just 7.6 amps, you can plug it into a standard outlet without any issues. This means you can take it to job sites, your garage, or even the backyard for outdoor projects. In summary, the California Airtools 6010 LFC Ultra Quiet Air Compressor is a fantastic investment for anyone in need of a reliable, quiet, and efficient air compressor. Its oil-free pump, low noise level, and solid performance make it stand out in the market, catering to a wide range of needs and applications. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to